In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a social media strategy in Google Gemini. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable process you can use for any brand and any set of platforms. First, open Google Gemini and start a new chat so you're working with a clean slate. This gives the model fresh context, which helps it stay focused on your topic. If you've used Gemini before, you can also reference an earlier conversation, but starting new is great for clarity. Next, decide the business and platforms you want to focus on. Be specific about the industry, the product or service, and the overall objective, like awareness, engagement, or conversions. Then choose the platforms that match your audience and content style. For example, Instagram and TikTok are ideal for short video and visual storytelling, while Facebook can handle longer posts and community building. If your resources are limited, pick one or two platforms to start strong rather than spreading yourself thin. Now write a prompt that generates the strategy. Clear inputs lead to stronger outputs. Tell Gemini your goals, your target audience, the content types you want to use, and how often you'd like to post. Specify the platforms by name. Also ask for clear, actionable steps and the metrics you should track. Here's a sample you can paste and customize. Create a social media strategy for a type of business. Target audience is brief description. Platforms: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Goals: list 2 to 3. Content types: reels, carousels, stories, educational posts, and user-generated content. Posting frequency, e.g. 4 Instagram posts week, 3 TikToks week. Provide actionable steps, a weekly content outline, content ideas, and key metrics to track like reach, saves, shares, click-through rate, and conversion rate. If you have tone or brand guidelines, include those too. When Gemini returns the plan, review it against your real resources and goals. Check the workload, creative needs, and timelines. If you need lighter production, ask Gemini to simplify formats or reduce frequency. If the plan feels vague, ask for examples, hooks, caption outlines, and calls to action. You can also request audience personas, content pillars, or a month-long calendar to make it more concrete. Finally, save the strategy and turn it into a posting plan. Copy the output into your document or project management tool and organize it by week, platform, and theme. Add dates, owner, and status, plus a column for metrics so you can track results. As you publish, loop back into Gemini to refine the plan based on performance insights and keep improving over time.